Okay, y'all, I'm getting ready to leave. Like, I'm ready to leave any second now. Holy moly. Oh, it's so cold, y'all. So cold. Let's put my heated seats on. Let's lower that. Oh my god. Okay, my juice box. I'm going here. Literally, it looks like a juice box, but it's just water. Fun story. So this, let's see. Ooh, let's put you here. No, wait, Tyler, remember when I hit the side of the building and I said to open the door and it was locked, and then this time you thought the door was locked? It was open.
No, it was locked.
How was it locked? You obviously did it.
With the new cars, when you pull the handle, the door unlocks.
Why?
He got it with your Uggs.
What happened?
Putting your Uggs on.
With the new cars, when you pull the door handle, the lock unlocks, and then you pull it again, and the door usually opens. So
If I was parked, but I wasn't parked.
It doesn't even drive. I guess even driving, obviously. Because I'm not gonna just grab the door handle. I'm not that stupid. I'm not you.
You're pretty dumb yourself.
Yeah, okay. Let me guess. He must have just been heavily inspired by Nirvana, I'm guessing.
No, look at the difference. Hold it up. Look, there's space. Look, this one has a smiley, and it has, look, this one goes up, and then there's a tongue. My Louis hat does not have a tongue or a hat, and it doesn't.
Heavily inspired.
I mean, the hat is cute, but
It's super cute.
Heavily inspired.
I even have a matching face mask. Let me show you.
I know I could die because I told him 3 times to get me a water. So let me just choke and die because I can't. I'm parched and I can't get the water.
It's a little crooked right now.
Coffee.
This morning, we went to the bagel shop. Like I said,
Don't put it on.
it's not good for you.
Hey, tall giant, since you're gonna be 16 and you're so tall, can you grab me a plate?
I got T-Rex arms, I can't. This is how you do it? Try it. Go right here. Go try it.
I wouldn't because I still have to tippy-toe it.
I had tippy-toe when I was like 7. That's
You
why.
know what? I'll make you tiptoe again. Guys, like my outfit, it's definitely a fit. We're definitely still in the middle of New York, and it's definitely still freezing. So I do have leggings on. Yeah, this is the fit for the airport. It is currently 7:59. It was 7:56, let me rephrase. And we want to be at the airport by 9, so we're gonna leave at 8:30. I still have to go to my car to get my bag. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the fit. Holy sugar, it's cold. Watch this, I'm gonna go bust my Aunt Momo's chops. Oh, it smells like smoke. Oh, you lit a candle for me?
What?
You lit a candle for me?
Yeah, he said.
I'll get the Corona for you.
No, get the out of here.
I'll have a Corona down there.
No, you won't. You better just be careful.
Uh-huh. Yeah. So cold. Say hello to the vlog, Uncle Rich.
Hello.
I don't have that phone. I have an iPhone. Thank you very much, Uncle Rich. Oh, I look crazy, but I made it to the airport. Look at my outfit. Oh my god, I'm insane. 2000s have nothing on me. So I had my flight wrong. Thank God I got here early. Because I thought my flight was at 11. Yeah, no, it boards at 9:50 and it's currently 9:06. You gotta love it. Okay, I'll text Abby. I'll text her when I'm leaving. Okay, we have to get through TSA. Am I still pre-approved? Wait. My God, guys. So I got Baby Hapitas, got my boarding pass, and now we're just waiting on the check-in line. There's not really that many people in the airport. I don't know if you can really hear me, but this is what's going on. I didn't get a chance to pee, so it's all good. I'm so excited. Here's the fit. You gotta love the fit. Gotta respect it. Here I come for the. Good morning. How are you? Ooh, it's cold. Bring me to the beach, please. Yeah. Oh, thank you. Ready for the beach. Get me out of the cold.
Even though we don't get to see it, only on the window.
Just come. Just stop the plane and go to the beach. Very quickly, I just want to let you know I have 2 masks on, and when I got on the plane, I was the last row, and there was, instead of having 3 people in a row, there was only 2, and we left the middle seat open, and she was a really nice lady. She was actually a teacher, so yeah, I was very safe on this plane. It was nice talking to you on the plane, though. It was nice talking to you.
Yeah, same here.
You too. Have fun with your son. And good luck teaching. This Zoom world is hard.
Enjoy your day. Thank you. Bye-bye.
I like the mask.
Oh, thank you. Amazon.
They have the best stuff.
They have the best in everything.
Have a nice day. Oh, look at the baby.
I can see now.
Got all my winter stuff. Ready to go. I'm going. I'm gonna see Abby. Okay, let's go find her car. This is so pretty. Look at how cute Abby's house is. Well, her apartment. Paisley! Paisley, here's Paisley! Paisley! Stop eating the plant. Stop eating the plant, silly. The beach is so pretty. Abby's already done with me.
I want to take care of them all the time.
Say hi for the vlog. Yeah, can I get a video? Where is it?
Younger love can come from last night. You came in and tried to stir up.
So we just finished eating.
Oh my gosh, I thought you were filming.
I am filming you. We just finished eating. I don't know if they can see us, babe. Look at the height difference. I can't.
I'm a foot taller.
Everyone's a foot taller than me. Don't feel bad.
But,
Hey guys, so it's currently Sunday night. It's like 11:45. I just got ready for bed. Abby's in the shower now. I'm gonna take one in the morning because girl, this hair needs a lot of work. Javi's in bed. That's her boyfriend, and her dog Paisley, as I'm sure you saw in the vlog, was really cute. It was so nice seeing Abby, and I got to meet her boyfriend finally, and it was just really nice. We went to the beach. We went out to yummy dinner. I'm gonna insert the photo here. Now I just got ready for bed, and we have a really fun day to plan tomorrow. We drove past a lot of nice houses. Like, it's really pretty down here. You should see what the Target looks like. And the BJ's. Like, we drove past the BJ's. I was like, oh, that looks like a really nice restaurant. She's like, Sydnee, that's the BJ's. I'm like, what? So, yeah, we're about to go to bed because we have things to do tomorrow. But you're gonna have to see what I do tomorrow in the next vlog. So, if you guys can leave a like, a comment, and go subscribe, that'd be great. So, yeah, see you tomorrow's vlog. Love ya.